start this morning. Just going to run the bucket back and forth across the ground, practicing. Without cutting in. Just going to run nice and smooth across the ground. First one of the day, that was a bit lumpy. Let's make sure this one's better. Just run that blade just above the surface, just altering the controls just to keep it nice and flat without digging in. Just so when we're on the bottom of that trench, cutting nice and flat. Just practice with the controls a couple of times. Also just the back end of the pre-start checks for the machine, just to make sure she really is running true. Just make sure that you can just run that bucket nice and flat across the deck, so that when you're a foot down or a metre down, she's spot on. There's nothing wrong with this machine, so you shouldn't have too much trouble. There's the cable hanging down, we'll have to have that sorted before we start work, I'm afraid. Didn't notice though. That's all the pre-start checks, just checking everything to make sure it's okay. So it's disconnected that for some reason. Just sort that out. We'll start work. Luckily enough there is an engineer here this morning for this machine. Couple of things that we've done them already, checked on it. There's a couple of things to do. He may have took that off. All I'm doing is just making sure she does run smooth. Just a few glides of the old bucket across the surface here, just to make sure that she's good. Moves back alright. The bucket into the ground. Dead man on.